Wish your artwork looked a little more lifelike? Just go over your lines with a 3D pen. Looking good, right? Just like real hair on our head. And once the colors come in, that's when things get really interesting. Don't worry, I'll draw them out on top. Right after I color in this amazing outfit. The more colors, the better, right? And that's how it's done, people. 3D coloring at its finest. I can even pick her up. A delivery for Miss Julie. I hope you love it, darling. I wonder what this could be. Oh, one of those fancy hairbrushes! I can't believe he remembered I wanted this. Finally, a man who listens to me. And check out this sweater! No tangles here. You like that, Planty? That's the spot. What's up, Julie? Huh? Was it windy outside? 'Cause your hair's looking a little tangled. Nothing to see here. Just a few more strokes here. Julie? What am I? A poodle? Anyway, nothing like a good brush. Oh, a bad tangle? Get out! My fancy brush! Leo's gonna totally break up with me! Aw, man. But I know just how to help you. Oh yeah. I'll try anything! Missing some bristles? Just make some yourself with a handy 3D pen. But be warned, this may take a while. That's better. Bristle City, baby! Now isn't it just perfect? I can't believe it! Thank you! See ya!
Hey! That's enough! What's up, babe?
Your hair.
Yeah?
Oh! Don't worry, I got you!
The brush!
Yep. Oh! I think it's stuck. Let's just go, okay? Just don't look in any mirrors. Nothing like a little spring cleaning. When was the last time that was cleaned? Ah! Ugh, focus. Are you making crumbs? Watch it! Hey! I can't see what's happening! Julie! Look at the screen! Oh no! What are they gonna do? I can't take the suspense! Easy with that thing, dude! Gah! Player 456 is totally losing! The suspense makes me so hungry! Ugh! You've been watching this for a while. When was the last time you showered? You need this. Ugh. That's a little better. You know what? Time to lighten things up a bit. One foil head coming right up. Ta-da! But we're far from done here. Use black glue to trace the head. Once that's done, try to mimic the shape with wood. Then use these strips like this. And staple everything together. Perfect! Now it should fit over the foil head. Then use black glue to make the mask. This part takes a lot of patience. 1/4 done. Just after these crisscross lines, that is. Told you this would take some patience. Now onto the other side. Time's really flying now, see? Phew. Time for the white now. Is it starting to look familiar yet? If you watch Squid Game, you know exactly what this is. Creepy, right? Just one more episode. Focus! Hi there. Huh? Is that… This can't be possible. Ah! Don't hurt me! I don't want to play! Gotcha! That's so cool! Just talented like that, I guess. Pretty realistic, huh? It's like my little craft baby. Julie! Look! Did you make her too? I don't know who that is. Then, who is that? Ah! Isn't my new mug spectacular? Aw, it's so sweet. Can I see it? No way, Butterfingers. Okay, then. I've gotta find somewhere to keep this thing. Those shelves are pretty tall. Julie can never reach all the way up here. Not even in heels. See ya! She's not looking, is she? Time to mug that mug. Gah! I'm so close! I can practically taste it! Ah! Yes! Oh no! I can't believe it! I'm so dead! I've gotta hide the evidence! Who looks under here anyway? My 3D pen! Maybe I can fix this after all! Start by getting a shape with foil. Once you've covered the whole piece, let it dry, then take it off. Next part takes some real creativity. Let's start with a big red heart. Don't forget to fill it all in. Use lines going up and down over and over. And we're done! I've gotta be really quiet here. There! Let's see. Aw, this mug is just the cutest. Nothing's better than the swings. I'm coming for you, Claire! Woohoo! Look how fast I can run now! Nothing can stop me now! Thanks for watching! Whoa! My phone! Somebody better catch that thing! I got it! I got it! There! That was close. No! There better not be any scratches. Ever heard of using a phone case? But this thing is so dull looking. Personal preference. I know! If you want a super cute phone case, use a 3D pen to make a design. Can you guess what I'm making yet? I'll give you a hint. It contains lots of colors. Good thing I've got them all here. Now bring on the green. Lots of lines are key for this. And after green, I think I'll mix things up with a pretty blue. Check out all these gorgeous lines. And now we're nearly finished. But how could I forget some sunshine? This could cheer anyone up. And once it's dry, put that baby on your phone. Check out my new phone case. It's not boring anymore, is it? I'm so proud! Now back to business. Have you learned nothing, Claire? What would you do with the 3D pen? The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to share this video with your crafty friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel to get in on all the fun.